Anjuman-e-Islam, Mumbai is the largest minority educational and social trust of minorities in the country, and also an organization of inclusive mindset. The trust is in its 147th year and was started by Justice Badruddin Tayebji as a premier organization to build up a strong education base for the Indian community in 1874. The Trust is a vast organization which manages about 97 institutions, and at any one time it has approximately 1 lakh students of all communities studying in these institutions. Its educational programs range from nursery, pre-primary schools to graduate, postgraduate, and research centers. These institutions cover the gamut of educational disciplines from engineering and business management to architecture, pharmacy, law, medicine, hotel management, and catering. A staff of 3,000, including teachers and other staff of multi-communities, ensure quality education being delivered to these students. Anjuman-e-Islam is in the front line for empowerment of women. Anjuman-e-Islam welcomes students from myriad social backgrounds. Almost 50% of them come from economically challenged strata. Anjuman Islam provides them financial assistance from their own resources and the funds and charity given by our well-wishers, donors, and philanthropists. Anjuman Islam has a special Zakat fund provision for Zakat eligible students to help them continue their education without any financial constraints. Through such endeavors, Anjuman Islam helps to fulfill the dreams of the financially marginalized students. Quoting Maulana Abul Kalam Azad would not be extraneous here. He said, "Education imparted by heart can bring revolution in the society." Anjuman Islam is a practical example of this quote. With this, I would like to go by a tradition and start with the anthem of Anjuman Islam, Tarane Anjuman.
अंजुमन 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 बुलबुले हम हैं और ये हमारा चमन बुलबुले हम हैं और ये हमारा चमन अंजुमन 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 हिंद की आबरू शान इस्लाम की शम्मा जलती है यहाँ प्यार के नाम की शम्मा जलती है यहाँ प्यार के नाम की हमको हाजत नहीं कोई इनाम की आरज़ू है फकत इल्म के जाम की इल्म के जाम की हम हैं और ये हमारा चमन अंजुमन 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 इल्म दौलत है अज़मत है इंसान की इल्म इज्जत है हिंदू मुसलमान की इल्म है हर दिल की है जान की, ये नसीहत है हर दिल की है जान की। बुलबुले हम हैं और ये हमारा चमन, हमारा चमन, अंजुमन अंजुमन।
AICTE has taken various quality initiatives to promote technical education in the country, which also includes enhanced impetus on career development of faculty teaching in colleges across the country. AICTE has one of its initiatives to conduct various faculty development programs for imparting, upgrading faculty knowledge and skills. For this purpose, AICTE ISTE sponsored Induction Refresher Program, Faculty Development Program on Automation Application Python Programming has been organized, and this FDP's main aim is to strengthen the professional development of the faculty members and administrators who deal directly with students, and the main goal is to help these educators increase the effectiveness of their teaching, especially in undergraduate programs, so that they are better able to guide students on journeys of inquiry and discovery. The objective of the program here is to provide hands-on training experience in automation application of Python programming, exploration of application of Python's features and advanced concepts related to Python. To be able to set up an application using web scraping and Python modules, to be able to implement CSV and JSON data parsing, and build ML model using teachable machines through Python, to motivate teachers from engineering domains like information technology, electronics, etc., to adopt new relevant technologies like AI and data science using Python, to provide a platform to faculty members to interact with industry experts from the different domains, to create awareness among teachers to include new technologies in all branches of engineering to increase employability. After successful completion of this one-week faculty development program, participants would be able to design, develop, and implement powerful Python applications. They will understand and leverage web scraping in their Python applications. They will understand the concept of Python modules. They will understand the concept of how to read Excel sheets using Python and performing data analysis. Leverage and understand CSV and JSON data parsing, concept of ML model using teachable machines. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Muhammad Atikur Rahman sir. I request our principal unaided section and coordinator of this event, Ms. Zebunissa Malik, to please introduce our respective chief guest. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Lubna. Respected chief guest and guest of today's function is guest of honor. Excellence is not being the best, it is doing your best. One such excellent, inspirational, super talented person is with us today, Dr. Muhammad Atikur Rahman sir. Sir has completed his PhD from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai, India. He has completed his Master of Science Physics from Vidarbh Mahavidyalaya, Amravati, India. Presently, Sir has been associated with Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, Mumbai, as a scientist in basic physical sciences since 1998. Presently, Sir is associated with the Department of Atomic and Nuclear Physics for research in molecular physics of special biological importance like DNA and RNA bases, and then precursors under astrophysical conditions. He has been associated with the field of high energy astrophysics to study high energy gamma ray sources through TeV experiments. Recently, Sir has completed building and measurements of a new experimental setup for electron molecule collision studies for electron impact ionization of biological important molecules. Sir is also associated with many social and welfare activities. He is the president and founder director of the Creator Education Society and the Creator International School, Khamgaon, in state of Maharashtra. Sir has published papers in more than 17 international and national journals. He has also been a keynote speaker in many reputed organizations. It is our privilege, sir, to have such a talented and inspirational person among us. I welcome you, sir. Sir, please share your expertise with us.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Zaibun Nissa, and very good morning to everyone. And let me start with thanks to especially Dr. Zaibun Nissa, Professor Qureshi, and the team here to give me this opportunity to interact with you and to say a few words about the program. Let me first say this thing. This is very important that this organization as a whole, as Anjuman Islam, they've been doing a wonderful job. Especially they are trying to improve the quality of education. I'm really very happy with the kind of efforts those have been taken. I've been part of many of these programs which are regularly conducted in these institutions. And especially in this period of pandemic also, the efforts are continuing. This is really remarkable. And I appreciate for the organization and the organizer for taking efforts to basically conduct such program for students, for teachers, and for experts. It's really praiseworthy. I'm really grateful for the organizer to making me the part of this such a wonderful academic event here. As we all know that for any educational institution, the most important thing are the educators, are the faculty, are the teachers. They are the main pillars. They are the one who build society. They are the one who build student. They are the one who are the key player in building a nation itself. So their training, their professional development is the key for all progresses. Without the professional development of educators, there is no question of quality development of teaching and learning. And this institution has taken a path of that. The building such an institution where educators are trained. Educators are trained in all aspects. In last of my meeting in the same institution was about the research. Like there was a workshop where the research papers of various people were discussed. It's really a very good academic activity. And now is another thing where the computer technology, we all know that this is going to be that is going to take over everything in our life now. It is already taken care of. And in that, the programming, the computer languages are very important. And if the faculty is trained in that, they're professionally expert in that, so definitely they will transfer this technology, this expertise to the student. So this is the major step where institution is building the professional development side of the educators in the institution. We all know that nowadays the Python language has become a very, very, very important language, especially in this period of pandemic where everything is getting online. Everything is through online only, where most people use browsers now. And Python is a technology which is very commonly used, and the language is very easy to deal with the browsers and to write the program in that. This language has really done a great job, and it is going to do a lot of things in the future also. So a lot of things in the future is going to be dependent on the computer technology, the programming, the kind of languages we are using. And currently we all know Python is a very important language. I'd like to say that this importance, like even NASA is a research organization. NASA has now started using Python. Some of the projects they are using Python language. I also see that the school I am running is a Cambridge school. In the they introduce Python language right at the middle school. Class 6, 7 students have to use Python language. They are learning Python language. And they are doing small program apps, because the next generation is going to use apps very often, very lot of apps. So they are going to use it. Everybody is going to use this now in the mobile, in the websites, YouTube, Facebook. All these are very important things now related to social media. And most of these things are written in Python language. So the automation and this definitely this workshop is going to increase a lot of activities of the teachers, of the educators. This is going to be extremely useful for all the people who are a part to this program, like educators, students, and the teams and the administrators. Definitely this workshop is going to enhance the capabilities of using Python language for the teachers as well as for the student. The ultimate aim of the institution is to transfer the technology to the student, and this is the process how it has to go. And I congratulate to the complete team for taking these efforts and making this program a great success for the educators to go ahead, learn a lot, explore the thing, discuss it, and then convey it to the teachers. I wish them all the best to gain the maximum from this workshop and transfer it to our dear students. With these words, I would conclude my short note here. And again, I'm thankful to all the organizers for giving me this opportunity to interact and talk to the educators here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's always our pleasure to have you with us for all the activities, events which we had conducted. It was a pleasure to have you for the national conference as well, and today for the third faculty development program. Thank you, sir, for sharing your kind words with us. I now welcome our guest of honor for today, Mr. Vaibhav Joshi, sir. I request my friend, Ms. Samreen Pabrekar, to please introduce to you all our guest of honor. Samreen, ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Lubna madam. To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. Today we have an inspirational person with us as our guest of honor, Mr. Vaibhav Joshi. Sir has completed his bachelor's in commerce. Sir has completed his hardware and networking course from Jerking. He has also completed various computer application courses, for example, DCM, DTP, ADCA, etc. Sir has conducted and taught all kind of computer courses in progressive technical classes, Dadar, since 1994. Currently, he is working as MKCL's district coordinator for Mumbai City region and acting as local lead center of 83 authorized learning centers offering MSCIT and CLIC courses in Mumbai City. It's an honor to have you, sir, with us today. I request, sir, to please share a few words with us.
Thank you. Good morning, dear all. Firstly, I am delighted to express my sincere gratitude towards Principal Zeba Malik, the organizing team, and the management of MS Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic for taking this initiative of conducting AICT's sponsored one-week online faculty development program on subject automation and application of Python programming. I am also thankful to them for giving me the opportunity to be the guest of the honor of this inaugural function. In this faculty development program, all the participants can explore the concept related to Python in the field of automation and sharing the knowledge and experiences contributed by the experts and professionals from different corners of the world. I recognize this faculty development program where experts and professionals from the field of development will come together and share practical knowledge and technology related to Python, and that will be the best work for all the faculty students at large. Although we all are teachers, but I personally believe that we all are learners till end of our life. We are working on the field of computers, which is very dynamic field. It changes very often, and almost every day new things are getting introduced. So we are not supposed to stop our learning. And if we stop the learning, then very soon we will be thrown out of this industry. This is the universally accepted rule that we must upgrade ourselves every day. I belong to a teacher's family, and as a hardcore teacher, I believe that you must have in-depth knowledge of subject which you are going to teach to others. No, this is not for sharing your knowledge to others, but you must be in a position to answer the queries asked by the students. Nowadays, students have a lot of exposure due to internet and social media, and they are smart enough to ask you tricky questions and can catch you in a trap. Here, your upgraded knowledge will help you to come out of this trap. Lastly, I am optimistic that all participants will acquire the new skills and knowledge from this faculty development program, and I would encourage all participants to take active part in an interesting concept related to automation and application of Python. Again, I am very thankful to MS Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic and Organizing Committee for their diligent work, and for this faculty development program. I wish all experts and participants a fruitful event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. I would actually like to welcome our presider, Dr. A.K. Qureshi, principal of Ahmed Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic. But sir has been tested positive for COVID-19, so he's not able to join us today. I request everyone to pray for his speedy recovery. But I would like everyone who's joined us today to know about our presider, that is our principal of Ahmed Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic Aided Section. So I request my friend Salima Khatib ma'am to please give an introduction of our presider for the day.
Thank you, Lubna ma'am. Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. I am privileged to introduce our presider and also our principal aided section, Dr. A.K. Qureshi. Sir did his master's in electronic and telecommunication from Aurangabad University in 2002, PhD from AMU in VSLI design in 2009. He is a PhD guide at Pune and Aurangabad University. Presently, 5 candidates have completed their PhD and 4 are pursuing. He has published 25 research papers in reputed international journals and 20 papers in international conferences. He has 25 years of teaching and administration experience. He did NAAC and NBA accreditation in 2 engineering colleges and recently did NBA accreditation for all aided courses of Ahmed Sabu Siddiq Polytechnic in 2018.
Thank you, Salima. I wish speedy recovery for principal, and I hope that we would meet in the valedictory function and sir would join us that time. Now, I would like to welcome and introduce our coordinator for this event. Great leaders are almost great simplifiers who can cut through argument, debate, and doubt to offer a solution every day they can understand. I take the privilege to introduce our leader, our inspiration, our motivation, our principal unaided section, and also coordinator of our faculty development program, Ms. Rebuna Malik. Ma'am is this woman behind the success of two AICTE IST sponsored FDPs, and now again she has organized a third faculty development program. Ma'am has always been an inspiration who has led the entire team forward to achieve our goals to make this FDP a success. Ma'am is currently working as principal in charge for the unaided section at Amit Sabu Siddique Polytechnic since 2016. She is currently also working as head of department of computer engineering department of Ahmed Sabu Siddique Polytechnic since 2009. She has 23 years of vast teaching experience in the relevant field, out of which she is a principal for 4 years and HOD for 11 years. She is working as a coordinator for 1 year part-time diploma course in computer hardware and networking and under CEP since 1998. She has many certifications like MCP, MSc, and CCNA. She has a certification as a Doctor of Letters from the University of South America. She is a research scholar at Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. She has completed more than 25 training programs. Ma'am was honored by STAR 2021 e-citation certification on World Women's Day, recognized and appreciated for spreading a spirit of positivity and hope during these testing times of COVID-19 pandemic. She was awarded Global Eminent Academician Award from VIJ Trust for outstanding service in the field of education. She was awarded Certificate of Appreciation from World Peace Committee, Indonesia, for dedicating time, energy, and heart to help the needy in the misfortunate situation of COVID-19. She was awarded Bharat Ratna Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Award 2016 for outstanding determination, dedication, devotion as a role model in the field of education. She's been awarded with many more awards for her hard work and dedication towards the upliftment of society. Ma'am has presented technical papers in 11 plus national and international journals and conferences. She is the first lady of Anjuman-e-Islam, conferred with Womanistan Moksha Award by Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation. I now request Ma'am to please share with us the overview of our third faculty development program. Over to you, Ma'am.
Thank you very much, Lubna, for the nice introduction. Now is the time to say about the faculty development training program. The Anjuman Islam Sabu Siddique Polytechnic have been given a sponsorship by AICTE IST to conduct 3 one-week AICTE IST sponsored induction refresher online faculty development program. The first 6 days of this faculty development training program was successfully conducted on 14th to 19th December 2020 by the Computer Engineering Department on Python programming. Then the second 6 days, that is from 6th to 12th April 2021 on advanced Python programming, and now is the third FDP, which is starting today 27th April to 3rd May 2021 on automation application of Python programming. So every day we have 3 sessions, and 3 sessions were scheduled from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is for theory session. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the practical session, and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. out of are the Moodle session. We used to say it is a Moodle session. Why? Because whatever we learn in the theory and practical, we have to give the examination in that session, out of which 2 sessions were carried out by 2 different resource persons, and the last session was handled by the participant itself via Moodle. Now about this FDP, automation application of Python programming. So AICTE has taken various quality initiatives to promote technical education in the country, which also includes enhanced knowledge on career development of faculty teaching in colleges across the country. AICTE has one of its initiative to conduct various faculty development programs for imparting, upgrading faculty knowledge and skills. For this purpose, AICTE IST sponsored 1-week FDP on automation application of Python programming has been organized, and this FDP's main aim is to strengthen the professional development of the faculty members and administrators who deal directly with students, and the main goal is to help these educators increase the effectiveness of their teaching, especially in undergraduate programs, so that they are better able to guide students on journeys of inquiry and discovery. The objective of this FDP is to provide hands-on training experience in automation, application of Python programming, application of Python's feature and advanced concept related to Python. Be able to set up application using web scraping and Python modules. Be able to implement CSV and JSON data parsing and build ML model using teachable machines through Python. To motivate teachers from engineering domains like information technology, electronics, etc., to adopt new relevant technologies like IA and data science using Python. To provide platform to faculty members to interact with industry experts from the different domains. To create awareness among teachers to include new technologies in all branches of engineering to increase employability. So this was the objective of this FDP. Now, in this FDP 3, the first FDP was Python programming. So number of participants registered was 202. The second FDP was advanced Python programming, and the number of participants registered was 123. And the automation application of Python programming, we received 112 registrations, out of which only 100 is allowed for the training program. Now in this FDP, first FDP, there were a number of colleges and participated into this. And in the third FDP, we got the responses from different states. We can say that from Maharashtra, we got 103 participation, Tamil Nadu 1, Rajasthan 1, West Bengal 3, UP 2, Andhra Pradesh 3, total 113. And out of which 62 degree college professors joined, then 34 polytechnic professors, 3 from school staff, 7 from junior college, 5 from College of Management, 1 from IIT Kanpur, 1 from Ministry of Bahrain. So I welcome all the participants for this FDP 3 on automation and application of Python programming. Now I would like to end my overview by the quote, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Thank you very much. Over to you, Lubna.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing the overview of the FDP with all of us. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all the dignitaries assembled. I would like to thank our chief guest, our guest of honor, our presider, who honored this function with their inspirational thoughts, knowledge, and presence. I would like to thank our respected principal and coordinator and all the participants. Last but not the least, a special thank you to all the members of the organizing committee for all the hard work they've put in, and wishing you all a happy learning. We now end our event with the national anthem.